Anyways, here's the back, and here's the merry-go-round from the back. And here we are on the back side of Mr. Gilpin. So we got a parrot, birds, Wonderwares, Garfield, and Odie. Excuse me, please. It's okay. I'm gonna take a look at the Santas. Okay. Got nice, cool Mickey, Minnie, and Goofy Mickey Disney stocking. And over here, it says right here, believe in Santa. And this is Mr. Gilfin's Santa Claus animatronics. I think these animatronics right there were originally by Jemmy. I don't know about these guys. Well, I think they were made by Jemmy in the early 80s. Santa's Workshop. And the little Alf and Santa. And you get to see the back side of Mr. Gilfin's house. I wonder where Garfield and Odie is. Where's the Odie and Garfield at? Maybe they're hidden. Oh, there they are. There's Garfield. I wonder where Odie is. Odie! Oh well, Odie's probably in here somewhere. But here's the outlook. And here's the gorilla inside the little sleigh. And there's the snowman tree with the Merry and Bright sign, I think. That probably reads Merry and Bright. I forgot. And there's the behind the scenes of the mouse and the dog. And over here we got the little merry-go-round. Got dog and dog. Got these guys right here. Got bigger than ever of these guys. And there's a tree. Thank you for watching. Farewell.